Hey guys, welcome to my video. I got mostly everything that you're gonna see from Michael's craft store, including these two balloons that you're looking at right now. They were on sale for $3, which is an amazing price because they usually cost like 15. The hoop that you guys see filled with balloons, got it off of Amazon, and honestly I just used a bunch of balloons that I had left over and created a pattern. If you guys want to see a recipe on how to do cake pops, I can make a video on it. It was pretty easy. The straws that you guys are looking at and the blue napkins, I got them off of the Dollar Tree and the NPS store. I got the jars that you guys will see in this video, most of them at Walmart, some of them at a thrift store, which they're super cheap in either place. The tags that you guys see, I will show you where I got them. Everything will be linked below in the description box. The cake, I got it at Costco. It was so tasty and delicious. Everybody loved it. The image on top, I got it off of Amazon, and it was pretty cool. You could add your child's name on it. The backdrop, also off of Amazon. Super good quality and vibrant. I loved it. All the signs that you guys are going to see, I handmade them, and they the sparkly paper was off of Michael's, so that was pretty cool. I got the letters off of Dollar Tree, that's a Aaron. The ribbon also from Michael's. I also used that same ribbon to cover the hula hoop that I will show you guys in a bit. The tablecloths that you guys see in this video, I got them off of a place where they decorate, and whatever they don't use they sell it off for cheap. So you guys should find out if in your city there's something similar where you guys can get the tablecloths for cheaper if needed. The dangly white and blue things that you guys see, I got them off of Dollar Tree. They were super good and cute. They have a lot of stuff at Dollar Tree, but this is the party that I've probably spent the least money on, which is super good because there's nothing of Baby Shark honestly at the party stores or anything like that. So I think I did a pretty good job. Everybody was in love with the decoration, which was super cute. Those are the tags that I'm telling you guys about. I got them off of Pinterest. I used those liquid balls to decorate inside the jars, and I bought a waterproof light. They were like 12 for $8 at Michael's. I just printed out the Baby Shark images from Google and glued them onto sticks. Here's the hula hoop that I was talking to you guys about. Same thing. I made the signs by myself, printed Baby Shark images, and just put them around. It was such a cute hula hoop. I loved it. I also made candy bags. I did not record them, but they were so cute. Since there's no candy bags of Baby Shark anywhere, I just used a clear plastic bag, shoved the candies in there, and added a tag on it with a cute pink ribbon on the side. Those are the tags that I used, and I edited them and just added my son's name on it. Super easy to do. These are just some ideas of banners that you guys could use to hang if you guys would like. I will also link it below. There's a bunch of cool stuff on Pinterest to use. As you can see, my son is wearing a Baby Shark shirt right there. We also got those off of Amazon. I think they were like $12 each shirt, which was super good. It's better than buying them in the shirt and printing the image on it. Anyways, that's it guys. If you guys would like to see more from me for the next parties that I do, let me know. Like and share and comment on this page, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below to see more. Thank you so much guys. See you next time.